Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you edit the mobile menu in your Webflow website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where will be able to see all of the websites that you have already created in Webflow, and here you'll be able to see the option to go ahead and create a new website if you want. But guys, for today's video, I'm going to be using this website that I have already created right here called YouTube Tutorials. I'm going to go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here and clicking on Open Designer. And now this will open up the website in the page and we will be able to edit it. So as you can see, now here is our home page that will be automatically opened. At the left side screen, you will be able to see all of the needed options that you need for managing your website. And in the right side of the screen, you will be able to see all of the options that you need for managing your objects and buttons, text, and so on. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and look at the top side of the screen. Here you will see multiple options where you can see how your website looks on different platforms. We're currently on PC, let's click on the tablet. As you can see, this is how the website will look on tablet. This is again, and here is the mobile view right here. You can see it says mobile portrait. And after that guys, now you'll be able to see how our website looks on mobile. And here is how people will be able to see our website. You can see how they will scroll down and everything. And now you can go ahead and edit your website right here by clicking on the mobile view, and now you can go ahead and start editing to go ahead and change how the website looks in the mobile view. After that guys, after you're finished and you're satisfied with how it looks in mobile, you can just go ahead and save it and click on publish right here, and then it will go ahead and automatically get saved, and this will be how everybody will be able to view it in mobile. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.